In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an API access token in Hubstaff. This is a crucial step if you're looking to integrate Hubstaff's features with other applications or automate certain tasks using their API. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to navigate to your Hubstaff organization settings. Begin by logging into your Hubstaff account. Once you're in, look for the Settings option on the left-hand menu. This is typically located under your organization name. Clicking here will lead you into the main settings interface for your organization. It's important to ensure you have admin access to proceed with the upcoming steps. Next, within the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Organization. Clicking on Organization will reveal a wider array of settings specific to your organization, including those related to security and user access. This step is primarily about navigating the interface to get to the area where security features are managed. Within this section, you'll find an option called Security and Login. Go ahead and click on that. This area is where you'll manage various security settings for your organization, such as two-factor authentication and other login-related features. Once you've clicked into Security and Login, you'll notice an option called API Access Tokens. Select this to proceed to the section where you can manage API tokens. Access tokens are essential for connecting to the Hubstaff API, essentially acting as a password, allowing your applications to speak with Hubstaff. Here, you'll be prompted with the option to Create Token. Click on that button to start the process of generating a new API token. Creating a token is like generating a key that you'll use for authentication when accessing the API. To create a token, you'll need to fill in some details. This might include a name or a description of the token. It's a good idea to be descriptive here, so you remember what application or purpose this token is being used for in the future. After filling in these details, find the Create Token button and click it. This will generate the token for you. Be sure to save this token securely, as it's essentially like a password to your system. It's crucial that you don't share it with unauthorized individuals. And there you have it. You've successfully created an API access token in Hubstaff. By following these steps, you're now equipped to integrate Hubstaff with other services or automate certain workflows with their API. Be sure to revisit these settings whenever you need to manage or revoke existing tokens for security purposes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.